Greetings, Benjamin J from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, another delivery from eBay. This just got here. It looks like it was shipped in a wine box, actually. This is a Lionel 8310. It is complete with the front truck. I picked this up on eBay for $13. I'm really curious to see what kind of condition it's actually in. Oh no. Hold on, my nemesis, styrofoam peanuts. Hold on a second. Oh dear. All right. All right, I hate these things. Hold on. All right, Lionel 8310. It is complete. I believe it to be anyway. All right. And there it is. Now this is a heavy locomotive. This is cast, of course. So, take a quick look at it. It is in really decent condition. It is complete. It has the front and the front truck and the valve rods. No damage to the shell that I can see. All right, let's put this on a rail. Let me pull the camera off the tripod and we'll take a look at this. All right, get this tripod out of the way. Anyway, I picked this up on eBay for $13. There was 7 bids on this. I bid it up to $15 and I got it for $13. Anyway, let's turn the power on. It says it runs. One way to tell it, of course, is to run it and see. So the first test, Lionel 8310, it is complete. As you see, $13 on eBay. Let's see what happens. Well, it definitely runs. It is really, really dry. No doubt about that. Wow. It needs to be lubricated, but it is running. This thing's been sitting for years. There's no doubt about that. So I'll have to get it lubricated before I can really run it. Anyway, it is complete. It is, appears to be anyway. The 2 markers are missing, as you see. I noticed that. It looks like they've been broken off and someone has filed it smooth. But both the markers are missing. Light is out. The E unit is working. Anyway, like I said, this is a really heavy little locomotive. 8310 with the front truck. $13 on eBay. So anyway, just wanted to do a quick unboxing on this. It appears to be complete, minus the 2 markers, of course. It's in decent condition. There's no damage to it. It's running. It needs a good cleaning and thorough lubrication, but in the next 5 minutes, it's going to be up and running just absolutely splendidly. So anyway, just wanted to do a quick unboxing video on this. I've got another locomotive due tomorrow and another one due Saturday. So, been buying stuff on eBay, that's for sure. And like I said, I got this for $13. Really difficult to beat that. This is a complete 8310 cast locomotive, standard AC motor in perfect condition, no physical damage to it. It's dirty, it's been sitting for a very, very long time, no doubt about that. Anyway, I'll get this lubricated. I'll do a follow-up video. I just wanted to do an unboxing on this. So Lionel 8310 cast locomotive, eBay, $13. Really difficult to beat that, and it's running. So I'll get this lubricated. I'll do a follow-up video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, benztrains@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.